Marhaba. Hello and welcome to My Arabic. In this video, we are going to learn the dual forms in Arabic. Arabic has three categories in terms of number. Singular, if it's only one, dual, if it's two, or plural, if it's three or more. So to form the dual in Arabic, it's so simple. All what you need is just to add either alif noon at the end of the word or ya with noon. And the ya with noon is going to pronounce like ain. You will see in the examples. Okay, so look at it. Number one, Bayt is house. Bayt, if you want to say two houses, you add alif noon or ya and noon, and it's going to be Baytan, Baytan, or Baytain, Baytain. Now, you might ask, what's the difference between Baytan and Baytain? Just go to notice one. We will use an if the word is in the nominative case. It's a matter of grammar. And we will use ya and yun if the word is in the accusative or genitive case. You will learn these later. However, in spoken Arabic, only we use the second one, which is Baytain. Baytain. Okay? So focus on this, the second one, but keep in mind the alif noon is also used in formal or standard Arabic. Let's do number two. Qalam is pen. If you want to say two pens, you add either alif noon or ya noon. So it's going to be either qalaman, qalaman, or qalamain, qalamain. Okay? As you see, bayt and qalam are both masculine. But if you have a word, feminine word, like sayyara, sayyara ends with feminine mark, or haqiba, bag, also ends with a feminine mark. Here, go to notice 2. If the word is feminine and ends with feminine mark, ta marbuta, you need to change this ta marbuta into a normal ta, and then you add alif and noon or ya and noon. And this feminine mark must be pronounced because it's just like a normal ta. Sayyara, car. If you want to say two cars, sayyaratan or sayyaratain. Sayyaratan or sayyaratain. Haqiba is bag. If you want to say two bags, haqibatan, haqibatan, or haqibatain, haqibatain. Okay, as you see, so simple. Now, one more thing is number 3. If you are counting two things, let's say two teachers, two accountants, one of them is masculine and the other one is feminine, or one of them is a male and the other one is female, here we will use the masculine one. So for example, let's say mudarris, teacher, and if we have two teachers, Ahmed and Zainab, a male and a female, it's going to be mudarrisan. So we use mudarrisatan or mudarrisatain if both of them are females. Right, now in this exercise, try to say or write down on a sheet of paper the dual of each word. I'm going to read the word and give you the meaning of the word, and then we will do it together. Okay, so number 1 is bab. Bab, do. Try to write down how to say two doors in the two forms, with alif and noon and with ya and noon. 2 is darraja. Darraja, bicycle. Don't forget it's feminine. 3 is ساعة. ساعة, watch or o'clock. So how do you say 2 watches or 2 o'clocks? 4 is كلب. كلب, dog. How do you say 2 dogs? 5 is صورة. صورة, picture or photo. So how do you say 2 pictures or 2 photos? Don't forget صورة is feminine. 6 is قطة. قطة, cat. How do you say 2 cats? 7 is قميص. قميص, shirt. How do you say 2 shirts? 8 is مدرسة. مدرسة, school. How do you say 2 schools? 9 is زجاجة. زجاجة, bottle. So how do you say 2 bottles? And don't forget number 8 and 9 are both feminine. And the last one is kitab. Kitab, book. How do you say 2 books? Now I'm going to say the dual of each word and try to listen to me and write down the words or the dual form I'm going to say. Start with number 1, bab, door. بابان. بابان or بابين. بابين, 2 doors. 2, دراجة, bicycle. It's feminine. The dual is دراجتان. دراجتان or دراجتين. دراجتين. 3 is ساعة, watch or o'clock. The dual is ساعتان. ساعتان or ساعتين. ساعتين. 4 كلب, dog. The dual is كلبان. كلبان or كلبين. كلبين. 5 is صورة, picture or photo. The dual is صورتان. صورتان or صورتين. صورتين. 6 is قطة, cat. The dual is قطتان. قطتان or قطتين. قطتين. 7 قميص, shirt. The dual is قميصان. قميصان or قميصين. قميصين. 8 is مدرسة. مدرسة, school. The dual is مدرستان. مدرستان or مدرستين. مدرستين. 9 زجاجة, bottle. The dual is زجاجتان. زجاجتان or زجاجتين. زجاجتين. 10 is كتاب, book. The dual is كتابان. كتابان or كتابين. كتابين. Right? Now, to practice this, try to find other words and try to apply the dual form to them. And don't forget, if the word is feminine, you have to change the feminine mark into a normal ta, and you have to pronounce it as a normal ta. Right, I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any question, any comment, any suggestion, write down below and I will reply to them as soon as possible. Okay, and now I can say to all of you, شكرا ومع السلامة.